Paracas Peninsula, Peru, 1928. On the wind-swept shores of Peru's southern coast, archaeologist Julio Tello unearthed one of history's most perplexing mysteries, a vast necropolis containing over 300 elongated skulls, each one defying conventional explanation. The Paracas people flourished here from roughly 800 BCE to 100 BCE, carving out an existence on this desolate peninsula where the Andes meet the Pacific. They were master weavers, creating textiles so intricate that modern technology struggles to replicate them. They practiced sophisticated brain surgery with trepanation survival rates that rival modern medicine, and they left behind skulls that continue to divide the scientific community to this day. Geological evidence reveals a people intimately connected to their harsh environment. They harvested the sea, their remains rich with marine isotopes. They cultivated the desert through ingenious irrigation systems, and they built with stone precision cut blocks fitted together without mortar, echoing the mysterious masonry found throughout ancient Peru at sites like Sacsayhuaman and Ollantaytambo. How did a supposedly primitive coastal culture achieve such architectural precision? Now here's where the mystery deepens. While cranial deformation through head binding was practiced throughout the ancient world, the Paracas skulls present anomalies that challenge this explanation. Some specimens exhibit cranial volume up to 25% larger than typical human skulls. Certain skulls possess only one parietal plate instead of two, and the foramen magnum, the hole where the spine connects, sits further back than in normal human anatomy. In 2014, initial DNA testing allegedly revealed maternal haplogroups unknown in any human, primate, or animal database. While mainstream science attributes the elongation solely to artificial modification, these biological anomalies raise uncomfortable questions. Were the Paracas people attempting to emulate something or someone they had encountered? Were these skulls evidence of hybridization? Or perhaps visitors from somewhere beyond our world? The truth remains buried beneath the Peruvian sands, waiting to be fully understood. But one thing is certain: the Paracas skulls represent a chapter of human history that refuses to fit neatly into our textbooks.